Jo, and today is the 36th day of the 40 days challenge. Today is a very special video because I received my silver button from YouTube for the 100k milestone today. So I will be unboxing it for you guys. So it is an exciting video. On this special occasion, I would like to make something really sweet. So I'm making coconut and pistachio Laddoos, which is a very simple recipe. As they say in India, any good news, muh meetha kijiye, means any good news, offer sweets to celebrate the good news. So I'm making the sweet and I will offer those Laddoos to you guys to celebrate this good occasion. The coconut pistachio Laddoos are my favorite, and let's see how it's done, guys. 1/4 cups walnuts, 1/4 cup pistachios, and finally 1/4 cup of pecans. Blend these into a coarse powder. 2 cups of desiccated coconut, about 3 crushed cardamoms, 1/4 cup pecans, 1/4 cup pistachios, and 1/4 cup walnuts, well blended into a coarse powder. Just add it there. Give this a nice mix. Once everything is perfectly blended, add a spoon of condensed coconut milk. Condensed coconut milk has an amazing flavor and it adds a beautiful aroma. Add a cup of organic condensed milk. There you go, guys. It's all well blended and I see that it is nice thick consistency, so it's very easy to make Laddoos. We let this cool down for at least 30 minutes before we make them into Laddoos. There you go, guys. You take some of this and just keep pressing it like this and make it a nice round ball. There you go. And just keep it here. Now I'll take some desiccated coconut and sprinkle it here like this and roll each Laddoo in the desiccated coconut. Make sure it sticks to this, guys, so that it looks pretty. There you go, guys. Our Laddoos are now perfectly ready. There you go, guys. My celebration Laddoos are ready. This is to us. This award is to us, and thank you so much again. These celebration Laddoos are for you guys. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it at home. It's a very simple but a very tasty recipe. Today's 2 cents is short but effective and sweet. I don't stop when I'm tired. I stop when I'm done. One more gem of a quote from my dad's quotes collection. There you go, guys. I'm going to unbox this beauty. The button has arrived. The silver button has arrived from YouTube. So I'm going to do the unboxing for you guys today. Oh, I think it's been raining, so I think it's a little wet. But yeah. There you go, guys. Yay! It's exciting, right? So I'm removing the first layer and there is a small card which says congratulations, and then there is this letter. Let's see what it says. Do you remember your first subscriber? Thank you, YouTube. Thank you to all you guys. Thank you so much, guys. And finally the beauty. There you go. There you go, guys. My silver button is here. It says presented to Josum for passing 100,000 subscribers. To all of us, my 100K journey on YouTube channel wouldn't have been possible without my husband, my daughter, and you guys. I must thank you guys for this one, and keep watching. I promise you to bring an amazing variety of stuff moving forward. Check out for some more interesting, exciting videos which will only get better with time. I promise you that. On that note, until I see you guys in my next vlog, bye bye.